to fix link not opening on WhatsApp problem. So if you want to fix the problem of link not opening on your WhatsApp problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, go with manage apps. Now under manage apps, you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you have your WhatsApp, you need to tap on it. And here you just need to simply go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then clear the cache. Once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that you allow the permissions. So go with app permissions and make sure that you allowed all of the permissions like photos and videos, SMS, microphone, location, contacts, camera, and everything. And the other main thing that you need to turn on is open supported links. So you may have an option of open supported links under other permissions, or just simply go back. You may have open by default, and under open by default, you may have open supported links. You need to turn on that for WhatsApp. If you don't find it, you can just simply go back on your settings, and here you need to search for open supported links. And after turning on the option of open supported links, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.